Let us continue with next one. That is question number 19. The correct statement is cyclohexadiene and cyclohexene cannot be isolated with ease during controlled hydrogenation of benzene. 1 mole each of benzene and hydrogen when reacted gives 1 by 3 moles of cyclohexane and 2 by 3 moles of unreacted hydrogen. No, this is false statement. Hydrogenation of benzene to cyclohexane is an endothermic process. No, it is false. It is exothermic. It is easier to hydrogenate benzene when compared to cyclohexane. No. So the correct statement is given by what? Option A. Option A is the correct statement. That is, cyclohexadiene and cyclohexene cannot be isolated with ease during controlled hydrogenation of benzene. The meaning of this is, when benzene is subjected to hydrogenation, means that is adding of hydrogen in the presence of nickel by maintaining a temperature of 150 degrees Celsius and pressure, it gives rise to cyclohexane. Hence, the correct option for the given question is what? Option A. Next one, question number 20. Identify Q in the following sequence of reactions. So, it has been given as a cyclohexane ring binded with C double bond O, single bond CH3. I will rewrite this equation. I will consider R as CH3 and R dash has a cyclohexane ring. Now I will rewrite it as what? R and R dash. So now it will be a ketone. Ketone is made to react with what? PCl5. When ketone is made to react with PCl5, the byproduct is what? POCl3. Along with the byproduct POCl3, it forms a dichloro substituent, that is nothing but dichloro substituent. So this is the dichloro substituent of an alkane. So when this dichloro substituent, so this is what? This will be P. When this dichloro substituent is made to react with soda amine in excess of KOH, which is alcoholic in its nature. So here removal of halogen takes place. That is nothing but due to the presence of sodamine and excess of KOH, the halogens gets eliminated, which will give rise to what? A triple bonded compound. Hence, when I rewrite with R as well as R dash, so when I rewrite with R as well as R dash, this can be represented as, so here R is what? CH3. From that CH3, hydrogens has been eliminated. So what I'll do now? Sorry, I'll just rewrite this first. So R is what? R is CH3. R dash is a cyclohexane ring. So this is a cyclohexane ring. This is C. This is CH3. This is chloro. This is made to react with what? Sodamine with excess. So this chloro is eliminated by using 2 hydrogens here. That is dehydrohalogenation has taken place. When 2 hydrogens has been eliminated from this, here 1 hydrogen is left out, which can form a triple bond, so that I can write it as a cyclohexane ring with 1 particular carbon and a triple bond with CH is the correct answer. So this is Q, which is given by the option D. So here why I have neglected, why I have removed this? Why I have removed this means you should know how these substituents and the hydrogens has got eliminated. So R is what? I have taken R as CH3. I have substituted CH3. So dehydrohalogenation has taken place in the presence of what? Alcoholic KOH. So here 2 hydrogens, here 2 halogens has been eliminated. Hence a triple bond has been formed between C and C, which is given by the option D. Next one, question number 21. Number of possible alkynes with the formula. So the formula is what? C5H8 is the formula that has been mentioned. So first let us write 5 carbons. So these are the 5 carbons. First let us take triple bond here. So when I take triple bond here, this will be what? CH3. This carbon valency is satisfied. This carbon valency is also satisfied. This is CH2. This is CH3. This is the first structure. So second structure, how can I write? I can take the triple bond towards the terminal carbon. 5 carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I can take a triple bond. So this will be H. This carbon valency is satisfied. This will be CH2 and this is again CH2. This is the second structure. So third structure I can rewrite it by writing the substituent. This is C triple bond C single bond CH with CH3 with CH3. So this is the third structure. So how many possible alkynes can be obtained? We can get 3 possible alkynes. Hence the correct option is given by what? Option A.